of Fiji from
Minister Kumbumola, if I might add a few thoughts in response to your comments. Australia and Fiji have had a long-standing and very close relationship. There are about 50,000 Fijians who live in Australia, and about 300,000 Australians choose Fiji as their tourist destination each year. The people-to-people links are very strong, and from the conversations and observations that I've had with Australians about Fiji and Fijians about Australia is that they want us to remain close and the best of friends. And it's on that basis that I thank you for the role that you have played in enabling me to be here this weekend and also to meet with your Prime Minister yesterday.